So you make it look like this, and now you add duct tape glue to each of the parts. For example, the two parts, you add them over here, and the hand, you add them over here. Then at the back, you add what we call duct tape or glue the back like this. Right, so there you have it. You have made the torso. Now we'll be making the stand, the final part. This is what all the parts should look. You must make sure if you cut it in the, for example, this you'll be making a square. This will, you add duct tape or glue to this part. You make sure it has holes in here so you can add the pipe cleaner. Same with this one. For this one, you will add it in the back over here, so you could connect the pipe cleaner with this. Then if you have a black pen or Sharpie, you could actually make it a much better with these details. So as you can see here, for example, now for the pipe cleaner, you should use like a scissor to cut it more shorter. This is how big the pipe cleaner should be. Right after you duct taped or glued this part over here, you see these holes, and the holes over here, we will be connecting the pipe cleaner with these two. And that was it. Another thing, you make sure the stand is not this long. It should be, if you make it like this, the stand, that means it's perfectly scaled. That's how you make it. And since you have like this, you can make it pose like this, like that, whatever pose you can make. Now this is the smaller variant, and the larger one you could like pose the tail part. I didn't add it for this one because it might have been fragile, but if you wanted to add do, you could do it by yourself if you wished to, but I didn't decide to add it because I wanted to make this as the more simpler version than the larger one that is more complex. And that was it. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.